In this video, I'm going to be doing a review on the Electric Ninja Woodfire Smoker Grill. It's like a gateway starter kit for people who've never cooked on a propane gas grill before, like myself. It's small and it's easy to use. You can also smoke foods and air fry foods at the same time. This outdoor cover bag came with my order. This is the grill top surface that you're going to be cooking your food on. And then the back has a grease drip funnel. It is detachable and you just slide it on top of the heating surface. Now, a lot of the smoke is going to stay on some of the metal chrome parts, and it's not easy to clean. Later on, I'll show you some tips on how you can clean out some of the detachable pieces. This is the grease pan tray. You just slide it on the back of the grill. It's going to catch the grease that falls down the grill top funnel. Now, this is the air crisp basket. You use this whenever you want to air fry foods. This basket just sits on the grill top while your food is cooking. This basket kind of looks like a cover top for a fan. Alright, so you have multiple settings. There's grill, smoker, air crisp, bake, roast, broil, and dehydrate. Today I'm going to show you how to use the air crisp and grill setting. Next, you have the Woodfire flavor technology button. I just call it the smoke button. I think you can use this smoke button to cook on all of the different settings. Okay, so the smoke vent is in the back of the grill. Over here is the start/stop button. And it says that you can hold the button for 4 seconds to skip the preheat. Here is the electric cord. It's basically like a circuit breaker. This grill uses 1760 watts. Just keep that in mind for those of you who like going tailgating or camping. Okay, now I'm going to start cooking. I'm going to turn the dial to the air crisp setting. I'm not going to use the smoke button because I'm just going to air fry some French fries. I'm going to leave the temperature at 390, but I'm going to set the time to 13 minutes. And then I'm going to hit the start button. Now the preheat phase will begin. When the preheat is over, it's going to tell you to add food. Okay, so I just threw on some beer battered frozen French fries. They don't taste like beer to me. They just taste like seasoned French fries. So now I'm just going to splash on some olive oil to make sure that they don't stick and to make sure they come out nice and crispy. There goes that Ninja jingle. This metal square piece on top is where the air fryer fan is built in. Now the French fries are almost done. So let me see what these French fries look like. Okay. These look good. It almost sounds like the French fries are singing. They look nice and crispy. So now I'm just gonna put these French fries on a plate. These French fries turned out nice in the air fryer. Now, I can't eat French fries without ketchup. I'm getting ready to eat these French fries before they get cold. So up next, I'm going to show you how to use the smoke button on the grill setting. This is called the pellet hopper box. This is where the smoke wood pellets go. This grill came with a smaller size bag of this all-purpose blend pellets. And it also comes with the robust blend. So you guys are gonna hear the birds and the dogs outside today. These pellets will just add a mild, smoky flavor to your food. The Amazon links will be in the description box down below. This is the Ninja measuring cup that you put the pellets in. You have to fill up the entire cup. So now you're just going to pour all of the pellets into the box. Next, you're going to turn the dial onto the grill setting. Alright, so now I'm going to press the smoke button. I'm going to leave the temperature on high. I'm going to cook some cheeseburgers and hot dogs for 12 minutes. IGN stands for ignite. This ignite phase is going to last about 15 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to watch more sightseeing savings recipe tips and tricks. So now I'm starting to see some smoke. Alright, there's the smoke. Now it's time to add some food. So I like to use the 80% lean, 20% fat ratio because the fat helps to keep the burgers from drying out. Alright, I'm thinking that maybe I can fit 4 hamburgers and 8 hot dogs on this grill. I'm just going to season both sides of the hamburgers with this Weber's Gourmet Burger seasoning. So whenever you set the cooking time for over 10 minutes, it's going to tell you halfway through to flip the food over. Now it's time to flip the burgers over. For any cookout or barbecue, you have to have hamburgers and hot dogs. Now this is looking like a barbecue. Look at all the smoke coming off of the food. It almost smells like applewood smoked bacon. So now these hot dogs are done. So now I'm going to take them off of the grill. These are all beef hot dogs. Now I want you to see these grill marks. All right, so let's flip these burgers over. Everything is looking real good. And this is real simple to do. I'm just going to smash these burgers down one time just to make sure that I don't see any pink inside. Now the burgers are almost done. These burgers look so good and juicy. So now I just have to melt some cheese on these burgers. I'm not going to start the grill back up again because the grill is still hot. So I'm just going to close the lid down for about a minute. You see how most of these pellets have already burned off. All right, so the cheese should be melted down. So it only takes 12 minutes to cook cheeseburgers and hot dogs on this grill. So you have to wait until this grill is completely cooled down before you dump out the ashes from the pellets. I usually wait about 3 to 4 hours just to make sure that nothing is still burning. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to clean these two detachable parts in the sink. You can use some warm soapy water, or you can use this Dawn Platinum Power Wash Spray. This spray will help to cut through all of the grease. Then I just let that sit in the sink for a couple of hours. It's easier to clean this grill with a brush because the brush can get in between all of the grooves. Now I'm getting ready to take these hamburgers and hot dogs inside, and I'm getting ready to plate up this food. Today's video is inspired by Chicago. Today I'm going to be making my version of a Chicago-style hot dog. And these are some of the toppings that I'm going to be using. So a traditional Chicago-style hot dog has poppy seeds on the outside of the bun. It's so hard to find a lot of the Chicago-style hot dog ingredients. So I'm just going to put poppy seeds inside of the bun. For those of you who are new to my channel, I usually try to come up with one optional level up ingredient. The smoke from the hot dog is going to be my level up ingredient because it enhances the flavor profile of all of the hot dog toppings. Now I'm going to add 1 dill pickle spear. Some tomatoes, yellow mustard, sweet relish, diced onions. I can't find any sport peppers in the grocery stores, so I'm just going to use some pepperoncini peppers instead. I think I pronounced the name correctly. I just cut the peppers in half. And now I'm just going to top it off with a dash of celery salt. So here is my quick and easy way to make a Chicago/Chi-Town hot dog. I just took some of the leftover pickles and tomatoes and put them on top of the cheeseburger. Hopefully this video has been helpful for you. Alright, I'm done talking now, because now it's time for me to eat this food. Thanks for watching.